Laptop battery health check and calibration. This is your complete guide to keeping your laptop running longer. Is your laptop dying after just an hour of use? It is frustrating when you cannot rely on your machine. You do not have to live with a failing battery. The good news is that you can fix most battery issues yourself, right at home. After watching this video, you will know exactly what to do. If you face any difficulty, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fixes. Let us start with Windows. You can get a detailed report without installing any extra software. First, go to the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now, type power cfg/battery report. Press Enter. The system will save a file to your computer. Open that file in your browser. Look for the design capacity and the full charge capacity. This shows how much life is left. For Mac users, the process is even simpler. Apple builds these tools right into the system settings. Go to the Apple menu, then go to System Settings, then go to Battery. Click the info icon next to Battery Health. To see the cycle count, go to System Information, then go to Power. Most MacBooks are rated for 1,000 cycles. Sometimes your laptop shuts down even when it says 10%. This means you need to calibrate your battery gauge. Step 1. Charge your laptop to 100%. Leave it plugged in for 2 extra hours to let it cool down. Step 2. Unplug the charger and use the laptop until it drains completely and shuts itself off. Step 3. Let the laptop sit for at least 5 hours. This ensures all residual power is gone. Finally, plug it back in and charge it to 100% without interruption. Your gauge is now calibrated. To keep your battery healthy, avoid high heat. Never leave your laptop in a hot car or on a soft blanket. Try to keep your charge between 20 and 80%. Constant full charges can wear out the battery cells. Lower your screen brightness. The display is the biggest power drain on any portable device. Close background apps that you are not using. This reduces the load on your processor and saves energy. If your health report shows less than 50% capacity, it is time for a replacement. Safety first. You now have the tools to manage your laptop power like a pro. Take care of your tech, and it will take care of you.